Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel MB Maths Classes. Firstly, I would like to say a big thank for your support. Please keep supporting us. Thank you so much. Okay, come to the topic. Recently, CBSE has released a circular with the subject Special Scheme of Assessment for Board Examination Classes 10th and 12th for the session 2021-22. As we know, COVID-19 pandemic caused the largest disruption in our education system. Because of this, CBSE had cancelled both its class 10th and 12th board examination of year 2021. And the results are to be declared. However, CBSE has decided to conduct the examination this year online or offline. So, CBSE has introduced a new scheme of assessment for 2021-22. That is, academic session to be divided into two terms with approximately 50% syllabus in each term. Academic session to be divided into two terms with approximately 50% syllabus in each term. Actually, previously there was only one examination which is used to conduct at end of the year. But this year there will be two examinations. One is of term 1 and one is of term 2. And next, the syllabus for the board examination 2021-22 will be rationalized. The syllabus for the board examination 2021-22 will be rationalized. Actually, in a survey conducted by CBSE, it was revealed that the rationalized syllabus notified for the session 2020-21 was effective for schools in covering the syllabus, and it helped many learners in achieving learning objectives in a less stressful manner. So, the syllabus for the board examination 2021-22 will also be rationalized. And next, yes, of course, efforts will be made to make the internal assessment, practical, project work more credible and valid. Guidelines for internal assessment for all subjects will also be released along with the rationalized term-wise divided syllabus for the session 2021-22. Let's go for the next slide. Details of curriculum transaction. If we go for first point, schools will continue teaching in distance mode till the authorities permit in-person mode of teaching in schools. Yes, schools will have to continue teaching in distance mode till we get the permission of higher authorities. Next, classes 9th and 10th. Internal assessment would include 3 periodic tests: student enrichment, portfolio, and practical work or speaking listening activities or project. Yes, there is no bifurcation in internal assessment. It would be done throughout the year irrespective of term 1 and term 2. Next, schools would create a student profile for all assessment undertaken over the year and retain the evidences in digital format. Schools should create a student profile for all assessment undertaken over the year and have to keep the evidences in digital format. Let's go for fourth point. CBSE will facilitate schools to upload marks of internal assessment on the CBSE IT platform. Yes, children, after the instruction of CBSE, schools have to upload the marks of internal assessment on the CBSE platform. Go for the next slide. Academic session. Here we can see academic session is divided into two terms, that is term 1 and term 2. If you see the term 1 examination to be conducted between November or December. Next, duration of exam is 90 minutes. Duration of exam is 90 minutes. And there will be MCQ questions. If you go for the third point, there will be MCQ questions, and these MCQ questions includes case-based assertion reasoning type questions. Next, rationalize 50% of the entire syllabus. What is the syllabus here? Rationalize 50% of the entire syllabus. And the marks of term 1 examination will contribute to the final overall score of student. Next, go for term 2 here. The term 2 examination is to be conducted between March and April. Term 2 examination means year-end examination will be there in between March and April. And duration of this exam is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Okay, now here not only MCQ questions children, different formats are there. Example, case based, situation based, open ended, short answer, long answer type questions. And here also remaining rationalized 50% of the entire syllabus will be there, and the marks of term 2 examination will contribute to the final overall score of student. Children, here we can also see one note. In case the situation is not conducive for normal descriptive examination, a 90-minute MCQ based exam will be conducted at the end of the term 2 also. If for example CBSE unable to conduct the normal descriptive examination, then as term 1 examination, 90-minute MCQ based exam will be conducted in the term 2 also. Let's go for next slide children. Here we can see the cases. Case 1 is, in case the situation of the pandemic improves and students are able to come to schools or centers for taking the exam. Means if the schools are opened in both the terms. If the schools are open in both the terms, in this condition, board would conduct term 1 and term 2 examination at schools or centers, and the theory marks will be distributed equally between the two exams. Yes, as usual it is. And next, let's go for next slide, that is case 2. In case the situation of the pandemic forces complete closure of schools during November, December 2021, but term 2 exams are held at schools or center. Means if the schools are closed in term 1 and opened in term 2. If the schools are closed in term 1 and opened in term 2. In this case, term 1 MCQ based examination would be done by students online or offline from home. In this case, the weightage of this exam for the final score would be reduced, and the weightage of term 2 exams will be increased for the declaration of final result. Now let's go for case 3 here. In case the situation of the pandemic forces complete closure of schools during March-April 2022, but term 1 exams are held at schools or center. It means if schools are opened in term 1 and closed in term 2. If schools are opened in term 1 and closed in term 2. In this case, results would be based on the performance of students on term 1 MCQ based examination and internal assessment. In this case, the weightage of marks of term 1 examination conducted by the board will be increased to provide year-end results of candidates. Here, schools are opened in term 1, so that the weightage of term 1 examination is increased here. Got my point? Yes. Next, go for next slide children. Case 4. In case the situation of the pandemic forces complete closure of schools and board conducted term 1 and term 2 exams are taken by the candidates from home in the session 2021-22. What about this case children? If the schools are closed in both the terms. If the schools are closed in both the terms. In this case, results would be computed on the basis of the internal assessment, practical, project work and theory marks of term 1 and term 2. Exams taken by the candidate from home in class 10th and 12th, subject to the moderation or other measures to ensure validity and reliability of the assessment.